Hi, I just came from the trail and look what got in the mail. So these are stuff from Pop Mart, from the official Pop Mart store. And this set of 3 is 50% off. It's a crazy price for those who collect these things. This is obviously not my normal videos, nor I collect them, but I've been helping a couple of people find Labubus and other stuff from Pop Mart. So that's how I ended up here. But anyways, these are 50% off for 3 in a set, and I'm gonna share you later where to get it. All of these are from Pop Mart. It's from the official Pop Mart store, so you will be sure that they are authentic. There's 3 in the set, like I said. So one is the Monsters, the Animal series, Yuki, and Kaiju Hunting. I don't know much about this, but anyways, it's one of them, Yuki, and of course this is the family of Labubu. From the Monster Animal series, there are 12 in a set and 1 secret. So I wonder what we will get. Let's unbox it together. So this, for those who don't know, this is what they call a blind box. So blind, obviously we don't know what's in there. So we shall just, let's see. Ooh. Oh, beauty. Ooh, so we got a kangaroo. Oh my god, look at that. Baby monster and mommy monster. So I think it's me. Okay, next is this Yuki. I've seen a couple of this in person and online, but you know, it's not my thing. But people collect this, and it's art. So this was designed by Lang, and oops, so we got Silver Sand. So this one we don't even need to open because this one has this card. So this series have 12 designs and 2 secrets. So this is how it would look like inside the bag. So let's open to see how it looked like. Oh, here you go. Very neutral. So the last one is Kaiju Hunting, and it has 7 designs. So actually it looked like to me a couple of different groups. There's even one Labubu here, monster, if you get lucky. So you know what, let's unbox it. Ooh, what is this? So I got Click. I don't know who Click is, but of course the only one I know here honestly is the Labubu. So we've unboxed 3 of them, and if I buy them individually, this will be $21.99, $15.99, and $14.99. Well, I couldn't find the exact item in the Pop Mart website anymore, but the same family cost $14.99. So if I add them in total, it's $52.97. And guess how much I've got 3 of them? $19.95 including shipping plus tax. So it's like 21 something. It depends obviously where you live. So you know what? I will share it to you for those who collect. This is such an amazing deal.